Artificial intelligence, AI, is no longer just a trending buzzword. It has already become a core part of digital marketing across every industry. What many people once imagined as a future innovation is now actively reshaping how brands connect with their audience. From social media recommendations to automated customer journeys, AI is powering the marketing systems we use every single day. Most marketers already use AI without even realizing it. Platforms like Google Ads, Meta Ads, YouTube, Instagram, and even email marketing tools are built on machine learning. These systems study user behavior, identify trends, and show the right content to the right person at the right time. This reduces manual effort and gives marketers more accurate insights. AI doesn't just automate tasks, it improves the quality of decisions. Instead of guessing what the customer wants, AI analyzes thousands of data points within seconds and reveals what works best. In digital marketing, personalization is everything. Consumers expect brands to understand their interests instantly, and AI makes this possible at scale. AI helps businesses deliver personalized product recommendations, custom email content, tailored website experiences, and relevant social media ads. This level of personalization increases engagement, builds trust, and improves conversions. When customers feel understood, they are more likely to interact with the brand. AI is not replacing creativity, it is amplifying it. Marketers can now use AI tools to generate ideas, write drafts, design visuals, edit videos, and even plan entire campaigns. This speeds up content production and ensures consistency. AI tools can suggest trending topics, analyze competitor content, or create multiple ad variations for A B testing. As a result, marketers can focus more on strategy and storytelling. SEO has become more advanced than ever. Search engines like Google utilize AI to rank websites, comprehend search intent, assess content quality, and detect spam. AI powered SEO tools help marketers find relevant keywords, optimize content based on user behavior, track website performance, predict ranking opportunities, and improve voice search optimization. This makes the SEO process smarter and more efficient. One of the biggest strengths of AI is its ability to analyze data in real time. Businesses no longer need to wait days or weeks for campaign results. AI tools can instantly show what is working and what is not. Predictive analytics also allows marketers to forecast future trends. AI can predict customer behavior, identify high value leads, and show which marketing channels will perform best. This helps brands save money and achieve higher return on investment. Automation is one of the most powerful gifts of AI. Repetitive tasks that once consumed hours can now be completed automatically. Examples include scheduling social media posts, generating reports, segmenting audiences, sending triggered emails, managing chatbots, and optimizing ad budgets. This allows marketers to focus on strategic tasks rather than routine work. AI chatbots have become a standard part of digital marketing. They ensure continuous support, answer frequently asked questions, and guide customers through buying decisions. Chatbots can even collect leads, recommend products, and improve customer satisfaction without human assistance. In today's fast paced digital environment, instant response times are essential, and AI makes this possible. AI is not something that will arrive soon. It is already integrated into social media algorithms, search engines, advertising platforms, e commerce, personalization, CRM systems, analytics dashboards, and marketing automation tools. Every swipe, search, click, and ad impression is influenced by AI. AI is not a feature of tomorrow. It is the engine driving digital marketing today. Brands that embrace AI now will move ahead faster, reach the right audience, and deliver exceptional experiences. The future of marketing is no longer a prediction. It is already happening, powered by artificial intelligence.